Hi there students. In this video I'm going to do a good old-fashioned phrasal verb, to bring down. So, to bring down, to cause a government or a leader or a political party to lose power. So the scandal brought the politician down. Well, the scandal brought the government down. The terrible economic performance of the company brought the CEO down. The revolution brought down the dictatorship. So to cause somebody to lose the position of power. To bring down as well, to reduce the rate, the amount, the price, the level of something. So I hear that the Bank of England have brought down interest rates. They brought interest rates down. So, transitive and separable. Overproduction brought the price of the object down. One of the government's objectives is to bring down the levels of inflation, so to reduce. Then we have to bring down, to make something fall to the ground or to move to the ground. So he went hunting and brought down 3 ducks. Maybe he used a decoy. So they were flying and he shot them down. The ace fighter pilot has brought down a large number of enemy planes. Or maybe the pilot brought the plane down onto a very small runway, landed. Here we have moved to the ground without falling. Okay? So, to bring something down. And then we finally have to make somebody feel bad about themselves. So the bad news brought him down. He was really happy until he heard the price, and that brought him down a bit. Okay, so that made him less happy. The bad weather brings me down. It gets me down. So notice in all of these examples I've given, to bring down, but it's separable, to bring it down, not bring down it, okay? And with this one, remember, to bring is an irregular verb. Bring, brought, yeah? So don't make that mistake, yeah? So, to bring down, to cause somebody to lose power, to reduce the level of something, to make something fall or move to the ground. And then finally, to make somebody feel bad about themselves or make them feel bad. Yeah? So all the criticism of his work brought him down. There you go, to bring down. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bring down.